Hey there, good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and watch it. I had spoken with Christina, you guys' office yesterday afternoon. Just let her know I was looking over you guys' website, and not that it doesn't look good, but I just noticed a couple of areas that, highlighted room for improvement basically. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you and show you some things you guys can do to improve yourself to bring in some more customers through your website. Now, if you're wondering why I'm even making this, I just find that a lot of business owners, don't really have the time it takes to fully learn how to make the internet work for them to bring in more customers. And typically, the only thing that's holding them back is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So at the end of the video, you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could be a benefit to you guys as a business. I definitely love the opportunity to talk about how I could help implement some of this information with you. And if you just want to take it and apply it yourself and run with it, that works totally fine with me too. I just hope to provide, valuable insight. So, without further ado, Derek, I'm going to get right into it. What I want to go over is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Okay, so starting off just by looking at you guys' website, you're leaps and bounds ahead of, frankly, you're quite far ahead of a lot of other HVAC companies that don't have a website, or they have one that looks like their children made it for them or something. You guys' website looks really good. We're visual creatures as human beings, so the fact that it's aesthetically pleasing is like trustworthy, the theme is consistent, everything's symmetrical and stuff like that. But the main thing is that, again, touching on content, content is king in the eyes of Google, right? So to be considered authoritative, you guys want to have at least 2,000 words of content on this homepage and at least 500 words of content per back page. Again, your website isn't blank, but I can tell a lot of what's on the homepage is pictures and stuff, so you guys would benefit greatly just from adding 1,500 words, 2,000 words of content on this homepage. And while I'm here, let me see. What you save your images as, see, those aren't, I don't even know if those are saved as images on here. But each spot that you have pictures, it's weird that they're not pulling up as images. Each one you can save your image as a keyword, right? So I believe you guys are in Melbourne, so each image could be like Melbourne, Florida AC repair, AC installation, Melbourne, Florida, or something like that, right? So those are opportunities for you guys to put more buyer intent keywords within the content on your website. Okay, I'm moving forward into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. We do pay for this. You guys definitely don't have to. There are other free resources out there that'll give you all the same information. We just use this. We invest in this one because it compiles everything for us. But touching on backlinks, the main thing here to keep in mind is like Google is like a popularity contest. It's gonna spread power between people that vouch for each other in a sense. So what you guys want is like you guys. This is the category you guys are excelling the most in, to be quite honest with you. But the main thing just keep in mind is any websites you guys have linking back to yours moving forward, just make sure that they're all relevant to your industry. Like you guys don't want pizza companies linking back to you because you're not a pizza company, or you're going to throw off this trust factor, right? So you guys are doing good in that regard. The last thing I want to touch on is going to be citations. Now we're using Florida Breeze Air and Heat for reference. Um, but when it comes to Google My Business pack, right? A lot of businesses are skipping over the ads because they either have ad blockers and they don't see them, or they just don't trust them. Um, so a lot of this business is going to be going to people that are in the Google My Business pack, right? All this is based on is citations. And what a citation is just how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor is even one. So literally all you could do is just find the exact same directories that these businesses are listed in, add yourself to the same ones, and then 50 to 100 more on top of that, and you guys could take over one of these spots in the Google My Business pack and see more customers that way for sure. But yeah, Derek, that's all I got for you. I know it was a lot of information. Quick recap. The biggest thing for you guys, I think, that would help is just having more content on each of your pages and making sure that your images, go back through and resave all of your images as buyer intent keywords, and make sure that those keywords are being added into the content when you go to add that to your website. Backlinks moving forward, again, you guys are doing good. Just make sure all the backlinks you guys get are relevant to your industry, or you guys will hurt yourself. And then taking over the Google My Business pack is all based on citations. Add yourself to the same directories these guys are in. 50 more on top, and you guys could easily take over one of those spots. So, yeah, Derek, that's all I got. I'm gonna get this video over to you shortly. Like I said, if you wanted to take this information and run with it, be my guest. I hope you find it helpful, and it brings some good to you guys. And if you did want to talk more about how I could just handle some of this stuff for you, I'd love the opportunity to do so. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin, and you can reach me at 972-573-9215. Again, that's 972-573-9215. Thanks so much, Derek. Hope you have a great day. Bye.